I owe a huge thank you to my coach, Brent Bowers. You are incredible, and thank you for changing my life. My name is Tracy Kroll, and I've been in education for over 15 years. And although I love my career, I started to struggle financially. I just wasn't making enough money, and I wanted to be financially free. So when I met with Brent to talk about an opportunity to buy and sell land, I'm going to be honest, I was a little bit nervous. I didn't know anything about land when I started, and I never owned my own business. So I was feeling very insecure. And when I met with Brent, he was so excited to tell me all about this land business and how it works. So although I had some doubts, I jumped right in with 2 feet and started the program. The modules are awesome because they lead you through each step of the way, and Brent's there the whole time to answer all questions. And I had a ton of them, so thank you, Brent, for being patient with me. But I can proudly say that it led me to my first land deal, which was really lucrative. And this program has changed my life. I'm still working on land deals. I have 2 under contract right now. And Brent, this is all because of you. So thank you so much for putting your faith in me and guiding me and being the best coach. I really appreciate it. And you did change my life. So this is my new career, and I'm really, really excited about it. So thanks again. And to all those land sharks out there, keep going, keep thriving. And I'm so happy to be part of the team.